Today I came to a bakery near my house. Would you like to go in and look around the Korean bakery with me? There are various kinds of bread. This is the cake corner. It's the Christmas season, that's why there are many cakes decorated with Christmas decorations. The price of the cake ranges about $20 to $30 US. Wow, they all look delicious. The bread I'm going to buy today is a baguette. There's only one left, I will have to buy it quickly. I bought some bread, so I will go home. Step 1. Slice vegetables. Cut the onions appropriately. I'm going to fry it later. Cut the tomatoes in a circle like this. Don't cut the tomatoes too thick, just cut it appropriately. Step 2. Slice meat and make bulgogi seasoning. Today I will use the beef ribeye steak. Then cut the meat into thin slices. You can choose the beef you want and use it. If you don't like the fat, you can remove it. Bulgogi for bulgogi sandwiches is good to season in a very simple way with as little water as possible. So I'm not going to grind the onions. I'm going to use fried onions instead of using ground ones to reduce the amount of water. Put 1 tablespoon of sugar in the bowl. Mix together well so that the sugar can marinate into the meat. If you season it with soy sauce first and then add the sugar, you can taste the sweetness of sugar. If you put sugar first and a little soy sauce after, the sweetness will be more prominent. Put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mirim. Add 1 teaspoon minced garlic. Lastly, add a little ground pepper. Please make sure all the ingredients are mixed well. I will let it rest for a while. In the meantime, I will prepare other ingredients. Step 3. Making bulgogi sandwich sauce. Put 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix well. It's really easy and simple to make a sandwich sauce. Very simple and delicious sandwich sauce is ready. Step 4. Frying the onions and bulgogi. Place the heat over high and add some oil to the pan. I will fry the chopped onions first. Put the sliced onions. You have to stir fry vegetables over high heat to produce less water. Stir fry until the color is slightly golden brown. Put a bit of salt. Add a bit of ground pepper too. If you stir fry the onion until caramel color, the sweetness of onion will increase and the flavor will improve. Put the fried onions in the bowl. Later, I will mix them with the fried bulgogi. Let me grill the marinated bulgogi. Add some oil to the pan. Put the marinated bulgogi. Mix the meat well so that it is cooked evenly. It's not good to have a lot of moisture for bulgogi sandwiches because the bread easily gets soggy. So the point of today's bulgogi is to cook it without moisture. When the moisture of the bulgogi has evaporated, add the stir-fried onions and mix them. Add some sliced mozzarella cheese on top of bulgogi. Put the heat over low and cover it with lid and leave it for about a minute. If you cover the lid and the cheese will melt well. All the bulgogi sandwich ingredients are ready. Let me plate. For bread, you can use white bread, baguette, or other bread you like. I will use baguette today. 4. Spread the sauce on the bread. If you have lettuce or romaine lettuce, please put anything in. I put in some romaine lettuce today. Add some sliced tomatoes too. Lastly, put the grilled bulgogi in the bread. This is the delicious and simple bulgogi sandwich is done. 그럼 제가 한번 먹어볼게요. 그 치즈의 쫄깃쫄깃한 맛하고 불고기 양념하고 빵하고 너무 잘 어울려요. 이번 주 주말이나 연휴에도 만들어서 드시면 너무 좋을 것 같아요. 아이들도 너무 좋아할 것 같아요. 너무 맛있어요. 동서양의 만남이 있는 그런 음식인 것 같아요. 불고기 샌드위치 너무 맛있어요. 여러분도 한번 꼭 만들어 보세요.